Hi all, welcome. As you can see, I have installed the Alt BMW R1250 GS Adventure skid plate. And this thing is awesome. It took a little longer than I thought it would. You had to pull the crash bars out and get the bracket in there. And you need a little bit of muscle. Don't ask me what I used that 2x4 for, but I had to leverage the skid plate when I installed it so I can get everything aligned, because I had to pull out the OEM crash bars. So you can see it's pretty beefy. It can take some serious hits. Kind of feel you need something like this on an adventure if you're going to be on the trails, and what BMW gave you doesn't simply cut it. That's it. From this to that. So I apologize, sorry if I didn't really post it while I installed it, but you can reach out to me. Like I said, it's probably a 3 out of 4 as far as installing, and mainly just because this is a beast to work on, and you got to pull the bars, and you got to leverage, and you got to get some brute force, especially around here, to get this all lined up. But follow the directions. Everything's got thread tight, everything's torqued, and I can't wait to try this out. So, like I said, feel free to reach out to me if you got any questions, and hopefully you like what I did. Thank you.